C8 Corvette to have power opening doors, reveals new General Motors patent. The upcoming C8 Corvette is already one of the most heavily rumored cars in the recent automobile history. And now we can add another humor to the list. According to the recent patent filing by General Motors, shows technical drawings of the power swinging door mechanism. Hi, I am Cheshta Sharma, Director of Indian Institute of Patent and Trademark, and you are watching Future Tech. Opening and closing at a push of a button by itself isn't extraordinary, or even new for that matter. There are two things that make this particular patent very interesting. The power doors would be able to adjust force to compensate for wind or gravity when parked on a slope of a hill. Instead of having a simple motor to open or close the door, these devices would work in conjugation to sense powers acting on a door, such as strong winds, and adjust power to compensate. The system would also detect obstructions to the door. The image GM Motors included in the patent application clearly shows Chevrolet Corvette, and it resembles the current C7 model. It's possible that car's likeliness is simply a placeholder for this application. Such a feature seems more fitting for a larger SUV or a snazzy luxury car. It is also possible that General Motors is working on this option for mid-engine Corvette, which it is known to be sold along with the current generation for at least a little while. It fits into the recent narrative we have heard that a car launch is being delayed over electrical issues. Not to mention an upscale grand touring Corvette that could be offered further down the road. That's all for today. If you like this video and want to watch more tech videos, subscribe IIPTA on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. Cheers!